Today we're taking a look at one of those tech accessories that doesn't get much attention until you absolutely need it. This is the Lenovo 65W USB-C laptop charger, designed for a wide range of ThinkPad laptops including the T14, T15, E14, E15, X1 Carbon, X13, and several other USB-C powered Lenovo devices. On the surface, it's just a charger. Simple, minimal, and not particularly exciting. But in reality, this is one of the most important parts of your entire setup. Because no matter how powerful your laptop is, it's only as reliable as the power behind it. And that's where things get interesting. If you've ever used a low-quality third-party charger, you already know the issues. Inconsistent charging, overheating, slow power delivery, or even your battery draining while plugged in. That's the kind of experience that makes you appreciate a properly engineered charger. This one keeps things very clean and very Lenovo. Compact form factor, no unnecessary design elements, and a focus on portability. It's the kind of charger you can easily toss into a bag and forget about until you need it. It uses USB-C power delivery, which is now the standard across most modern laptops. That means one cable can handle everything from charging your laptop to powering other compatible devices like tablets or smartphones, depending on their requirements. The 65W output is really the sweet spot for ThinkPad users. It's powerful enough to keep your laptop running smoothly during work, browsing, multitasking, video calls, or light creative tasks without constantly worrying about battery drop. It's not designed for gaming rigs or extreme workloads. Instead, it focuses on consistent, stable performance for everyday productivity. And in that category, it performs exactly as expected. One of the biggest strengths here is reliability. When you plug it in, your laptop immediately recognizes it as a proper power source. No warning messages. No unstable power behavior, just straightforward charging. That kind of consistency might sound basic, but it's exactly what you want when you're working, studying, or traveling. Charging speed is solid as well. You get efficient power delivery that brings your battery back up quickly without pushing the system into unsafe thermal conditions. And speaking of heat, this charger manages temperatures well even after extended use. That matters because excessive heat over time can reduce both charger lifespan and battery health. Build quality is also what you'd expect from Lenovo. It feels durable, professional, and designed for long-term use. The cable is sturdy, the adapter housing is solid, and overall it feels like something built to survive daily commuting, office setups, and frequent travel. Another underrated advantage of USB-C charging is flexibility. This isn't just a laptop charger. In many cases, it can also power other USB-C devices like phones, tablets, and portable accessories. So instead of carrying multiple adapters, you can simplify your setup into one compact solution. And that convenience adds up, especially if you're always on the move. Safety is another key factor here. Lenovo's official chargers include proper protection mechanisms like voltage regulation, overcurrent protection, and temperature control. That reduces risk compared to cheaper third-party options that often skip proper certification or testing. At the end of the day, this is not a flashy product. It's not meant to impress you with specs or aesthetics. It's meant to disappear into your workflow and just work every single time you plug it in. No issues, no interruptions, no stress. So if you're using a compatible Lenovo ThinkPad and need a reliable replacement charger or a backup for travel or work, this is one of the most practical choices you can make. And if you want to get it, check the link in the description.